Hey everyone, welcome to Like.Mother.Like.Daughter. This is my January pet treater box for our dogs. I am sorry that our dogs are not in this video. I am a little under the weather, so we're just going to open up the box this way this month. So let's just get into what's in our pet treater box. Okay, so here's everything that is in the January Pet Treater box. Pet Treater is a monthly subscription for your dogs. They do have one for a cat as well. I will link all the information for this box down below. They do send it to our dogs free for review, and that's what we're going to do today. Okay, so as you can see, there are a few things in here. First thing off the bat is a sample. It's just one, I can feel it, dog treat in here. Noah's Bark with Bodacious Beef. So there's no wheat, no corn, no soy, no okay, you guys, I just cannot read. Forgive me. No artificial flavors. It's made in the USA. Fabulous. The next thing that we have in here is beef and apple with moringa from, what is this? Dogs Love Kale, and it's good for them too. It says these are soft treats. So we'll see how the dogs like these. They're not a fan of the fruit flavored or the sweet kind of treats, but these have beef in them, so I think they're gonna like these. Here's all the information on the back. Good through 2019. Love that they're made in the USA. And that's one thing with Pet Treater. You know that any of the treats that they have in here that you get for your dogs are going to be made in the USA. Now, I'm going to say that this is for the human. Let's see, is there a sticker on anything? Pepe Le Pew Little Letters Kit. And I grew up watching Pepe Le Pew, the little skunk who thought he was a cat. I am the locksmith of love, no? From Pepe Le Pew. So this is a little stationery kit that has tiny envelopes, pencil sharpener, and eraser. It says ages 6 and up. So this would make a good little gift for a child. So really cute to see that in there. I'm going to grab this toy because this interests me. January, I don't know if January is the birth date of Elvis, but I know that on TV there are a lot of Elvis specials right now because they're celebrating Elvis. It says this is a peanut butter and banana sandwich, and it comes apart so you can see the peanut butter and the bananas. This is the little, has that little scratchy sound, and then this one has a squeaker in it. So that's cute. 2 toys in one. The next thing we have here are some dog treats. Again, Chrissy, these are Dogs Love Snap Peas. So this was Dogs Love Kale, and these are Dogs Love Snap Peas. Crispy baked dog treats, peas and chicken, gluten-free. Here's all the information on the back, and they are going to look, to me that looks like a Cheeto. So we'll have to see if the dogs like these, but it says it's Healthy Treats brand. Includes Dogs Love Kale, Dogs Love Snap Peas. So we get to try both of them from their brand. So that's really great that they're getting healthy treats. Okay, for the dog who loves those cookies, these cookies are made specifically for dogs from Exclusively Dog. So these are Carob flavored sandwich cream cookies. So you know you're giving them ingredients that's good for a dog. Protein, fat, fiber. Great to have in here. Okay, the last 2 things in here. Let's go with this one. Smart Tricks for Smart Dogs. A fun and easy step-by-step program for every dog. So this looks to me, these pages, if you can see, they're like cardboard. They're very, very thick. They're very, very sturdy. And this is how to train your dog, how to teach them different tricks. Get them to bow down, get them to do shake, the weave in and out of your legs. So this is really, really neat to have. I really like that. It's even got a little poster here that you can track your dog, how he's doing, how he's learning, because they have stickers that you can put every time he gets a star and then a ribbon for when he finally gets the trick down. So that's really great. And the last thing in here is the Pet Treater Dogs of the Year calendar. So it looks like they have taken all of the pictures that have been submitted and put their favorite ones on here for, that's really, really cute. It is made so that you can make it a stand so that it'll stand up on your desk by using this, or you can just hang it up. That's really, really cute. I like that. So it has, on this side, it's going to have the month and the picture of the dog of the month, and then on the other side, it's going to have pictures of all sorts of dogs that have sent in an Instagram and pictures regarding their little pet treater toys and boxes and treats that they got and how much they love them. Isn't that great? So this was everything in the box for the month of January. Pet Treater is a great subscription. It has a great combination of toys and treats based on the size of your dog, not the age of your dog. And they do always include something for the human in there, which that's an extra little special treat to find something in a dog subscription box for the human. We really enjoy these boxes, or should I say our dogs really enjoy these boxes. They love this box. I think it's a great deal. If you know someone that has a dog that's looking for you made in the USA treats and toys, just check out Pet Treater. I'll link their information down below and any coupon codes if I can buy them. Thank you so much for joining me today. Even though I'm a little under the weather, I do appreciate you hanging out and watching this video. Everyone have a great day. Come back and see me again. Mwah. Bye.